This is what it looks like via our live camera from the Lexington Financial Center. A beautiful sunrise, just accentuated by all the low cloud cover, the fog, everything that's been streaming through. Of course, remember, we're sitting about 410 feet up on top of a building. Down at ground level, we've got some issues with visibility, fog in particular, dense fog here in Lexington, down through Danville and up in Frankfort. It could slow you down on the road, so watch out for that. We have, in effect, later on today, basically another chance for showers and storms, and some of those could be on the strong to severe side. That's the Max Track now. Even the few showers and storms that were hanging into our southern counties have finally fizzled out, so that's done. This is yesterday evening, 7 p.m., as things really got rolling. There's Stanford, of course, Lexington up north, Richmond as well, Liberty and Casey County over through London, severe thunderstorm warnings, and then boom, we start to see these tornado warnings popping. Some of these cells started showing signs of strong rotation. And if you were watching, Bill was on the air for quite a while with them as they continued to track east. We had numerous tornado warnings as well as severe thunderstorm warnings there, and a couple of damage reports. But Andrew Godby sent this in. I just love this shot. He had his drone up flying, and you can see that wall cloud from that rotating supercell, basically a lowering of that cloud deck, and sometimes can end up resulting in a tornado. But at this point, we had a lot of rotation, but as far as the damage reports go, it was primarily just some tree lines or some power lines and some trees down into southeastern county, starting out around Lebanon, following that storm track Liberty through Casey County there and into Pulaski County. So if we hear any more info about those storms from last night, we'll be sure to let you know. Also had heavy rain. Look at those bands of 2 to 4 inches of rain across Pulaski County. So today, that front is stalled south. It's going to push back north as a warm front, and the marginal risk we had yesterday is now a slight risk, with the marginal risk bumped into northern counties. If we see severe potential today, which I think we will into the afternoon, it'll likely be south of I-64, starting out down into our southern counties like it ended up yesterday, and then bubbling north with a similar threat. Damaging wind gusts, hail, and heavy rain. Could be isolated tornadoes thrown in the mix there. The LAX 18 Storm Tracker Future Track breaks those clouds up, and then into the mid to late afternoon, here they come. Storms developing and then running north. Now, this run of the Future Track really has them falling apart as you get into the latter part of the evening, north and east. Still some strong cells hanging on into our eastern counties. So if you're north of I-64, I think the threat's a little bit less. But still, we're all in likely for a round of storms this evening. And then tomorrow, the wind straight out of the south, and we are cranking up the heat. Highs likely going to top out around 90 degrees. The rain did tamp the pollen down for today, but there you can see it spiking again Friday. We'll have sunshine. We'll have highs around 90 tomorrow, so that pollen's going to be free-flowing again. 61 in Lexington. The record high tomorrow is 91, set back in the 40s. So for today, we're warm. We're just not that hot. Low to mid-80s, partly to mostly cloudy. You'll have to keep a close eye out for that strong to severe potential into the mid to late afternoon, bubbling up from down south. Those storms wrap up early overnight, and then tomorrow, it's just hot. It's windy. We'll be in the upper 80s Saturday. I don't think we'll see much in the way of storm chances until maybe at the earliest late Saturday, likely overnight into Sunday, and then a big cool down. Still looking for that brief dip into the upper 60s early next week.